Imagine a vault so secure that its makers didn't even bother installing an alarm. It was deemed unbreakable, with its 20-ton door and iron-reinforced walls. Yet, on July 19, 1976, a group of criminals managed to outsmart this fortress, spending 27 hours inside the vault and making off with millions. What was their master plan, and why is this considered the biggest bank robbery in history? Let's take you back to that fateful Monday morning. July 19, 1976, dawned as a typical Monday in Nice, France. The staff at Societe Generale Bank began their day, unaware that they were about to uncover a scene straight out of a heist movie. This bank was renowned for its security, boasting what was believed to be the strongest vault in the world, but what happened next would shatter that illusion. The Societe Generale Bank was not just any bank. It was known for its impenetrable security, a reputation built on its state-of-the-art vault. This vault was a marvel of engineering with a 20-ton door and walls reinforced with iron, designed to withstand any attempted breach. So confident were the makers in its security that they didn't even install an alarm system inside the vault. It was considered unbreakable, a fortress protecting the wealth within. However, that morning, the unthinkable happened. The bank staff attempted to open the vault, but the door wouldn't budge. This wasn't entirely unusual, as the massive door had a history of getting stuck. But when even the experts from the vault manufacturing company couldn't open it, they knew something was seriously wrong. After hours of futile attempts, they drilled a hole in the vault wall to investigate, only to discover that someone had welded the door shut from the inside. With the door welded shut and no signs of forced entry, the bank staff and experts were baffled. They decided to drill a larger hole in the vault wall. What they found inside was astounding. The vault had been looted. Broken and open lockers lay in disarray, and the robbers had left behind a message spray-painted on the wall: "Without arms, without hate, and without violence." This sight confirmed that something extraordinary had taken place. As the investigation continued, the police discovered a tunnel leading from the vault to the city's sewer system. Inside the tunnel, they found evidence of a meticulously planned operation: tools, gas cylinders for a welding torch, ventilation equipment, and an extensive electrical cable. This tunnel was the robbers' secret passageway into the unbreakable vault. The mastermind behind this elaborate heist was Albert Spaggiari, a seemingly ordinary photographer with a knack for planning. Albert's reconnaissance revealed that the vault lacked a security alarm. He confirmed this by placing an alarm clock inside the vault, which went off without triggering any alerts. With this crucial information, Albert devised a plan. He obtained city maps under the guise of an engineer, pinpointing the nearest sewer line and calculating that a 26-foot tunnel would take him straight into the vault. Albert recruited a local gang to help with the digging, which took about 2 months. The work was done quietly and only at night to avoid detection. On the night of July 18th, they finally broke through into the vault, where they spent 27 hours meticulously looting its contents. They even took the time to have meals inside, a testament to their confidence and thorough planning. On the night of July 18, 1976, Albert Spaggiari and his team of robbers executed their meticulously planned heist. Under the cover of darkness, they entered the sewer system and navigated to the tunnel they had dug over the past 2 months. Emerging inside the vault, they began their operation. For the next 27 hours, the robbers worked with precision and confidence, breaking into 400 out of the 4,000 safe deposit boxes. Their audacity was evident as they took breaks to enjoy meals, knowing they had ample time to complete their heist undisturbed. Before leaving, they spray-painted a message on the vault wall: "Without arms, without hate, and without violence," a final flourish that added to the heist's mystique. When the heist was discovered, the French police launched an extensive investigation. The initial stages were marked by frustration, as there were no immediate leads or clues pointing to the culprits. The pressure on the police was immense, with the public and media demanding answers. The authorities scrutinized everyone in the vicinity, interrogated bank staff, and examined every possible lead, but progress was slow and results were scant. 3 months later, in October 1976, a significant breakthrough came from an unexpected source. A girlfriend of one of the gang members tipped off the police, leading to his capture. Under intense interrogation, he initially denied involvement, but eventually broke down and revealed the names of his accomplices. This revelation pointed to Albert Spaggiari as the mastermind behind the heist. Albert Spaggiari was arrested, but his demeanor surprised the authorities. He appeared calm and composed, not fitting the profile of a criminal mastermind. During questioning, Albert confessed to orchestrating the heist and provided a detailed account of the operation. However, the case took another dramatic turn during his court proceedings. Albert managed to persuade the judge to see him privately, ostensibly to explain his coded notes. In a daring move, he leapt out of the judge's chamber window, landing on a car parked below, and escaped on a waiting motorcycle. Despite the police's best efforts, they never recaptured him. The Societe Generale Bank heist left an indelible mark on history. The bank's reputation suffered greatly, and the French police faced public embarrassment for their inability to prevent or swiftly solve the crime. Albert Spaggiari's interview years later in Italy added to his legend as he taunted the authorities and recounted his adventures with a sense of triumph. His mysterious disappearance and subsequent death in 1989 only fueled speculation and fascination with the heist. The unbreakable vault heist remains one of the most famous and audacious bank robberies of all time, a testament to human ingenuity and the allure of forbidden exploits. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through one of history's most fascinating heists. If you enjoyed this story, please like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating tales from the past. Stay tuned for our next video, where we delve into another thrilling chapter of history.